Yo guys, welcome back to the SciTech channel. Today I have another special video for you guys. Let's go ahead and get straight on into this video. So here I will be unboxing a new keyboard I got for myself. This is the Keychron J8 HE 8K. So J8 is basically the model of the keyboard. HE just stands for Hall effect, and 8K basically stands for the fact that this is a 8K polling hertz or polling rate keyboard. So just going to show you guys a little bit around the box. So let's go ahead and show you guys around the box. Here is the top, here is the side, and the other side. So let me go ahead and rip this puppy open. To the side. One more quick little bit around. I'm gonna try and make this a quick one since this is just a keyboard. Not sure how many people would actually be interested in this, but nevertheless, here we are. Alright, so here we have the inside. Got a little piece of foam, not sure what that's for. I'm just gonna move that out the way. We have a little instruction manual with the different instructions on how to use the keyboard. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna toss that to the side. We have the quick start guide with a little bit of information on the back. And then we have an Allen key. We have extra green keycaps. This is pretty cool. This is like a Razer green almost. That's pretty cool. We have a braided USB-A to C cable for the keyboard. And then over here looks like we have the keycap puller and the switch puller. So I can move that out the way. So let's go ahead and get on into the keyboard. Oh wow, this is pretty heavy. This is a 75% keyboard, as you can see on this packaging. Get the box out the way. Just get the keyboard, the frame for you guys. Sorry for all the ruckus. Here we have the keyboard. Looks pretty cool. I feel like wow. Oh my goodness, guys. This keyboard is literally the best keyboard I've ever had in my life. And that is not a joke. I'm by no means a keyboard enthusiast or anything, but damn, this keyboard is sick. And it's definitely the best keyboard I've ever had. So if you are interested in this model, I think it will be well worth your money. Like just based off that sound. Oh my goodness, guys, I am obsessed. Well, I think that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your guys' support, and if you can, a sub would be very, very much appreciated, along with any sort of likes or comments or any feedback you guys might have for me. Thank you guys so much. Peace out and have a good one, guys.